Hello friends, second chapter solution. In previous lecture we will completed expressing of concentration. Now we will continue about molarity and molality, mole fraction, numericals. Example 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3. Example 2.1. Question is, calculate the mole fraction of ethylene glycol. Here word present ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol, second name is ethane 1,2-diol. Its formula is ethane 1,2-diol formula is CH2 OH, ethylene glycol. Either you can write also in linear position, and its molecular formula is C2H4, and this 2H means convert into total 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 O2. That's why here given C2H6O2 known as ethylene glycol, ethane 1,2-diol. In a solution containing 20% of ethylene glycol by mass, means what? 20% of C2H6O2 mass present, mass value is given. How to solve? Question is, calculate the mole fraction denoted by X. Mole fraction of ethylene glycol calculated, that's why first of all I will calculate molecular mass of ethylene glycol, either molar mass of ethylene glycol. How to calculate molar mass? Its formula is C2H6O2. Then 2 in bracket atomic mass of carbon plus 6 in bracket atomic mass of hydrogen plus 2 in bracket atomic mass of oxygen. Carbon atomic mass 12, 12 to the 24. Hydrogen atomic mass 1, that's why 6 1s are 6. Oxygen atomic mass is equal to 16. 16 to the 32. When sum of this total 3 value then gives us 62. This one is the molar mass of ethylene glycol. Second step, moles of ethylene glycol. Why these two value or these two formula calculated? Because mole fraction we will use moles of solute divided by moles of the solution or total moles of the present in solution. Moles of C2H6O2, this one is the ethylene glycol, is equal to moles were present, that's why weight of ethylene glycol, either mass of ethylene glycol divided by molar mass of ethylene glycol. Here value already given, 20% of C2H6O2 mass. That's why here we will use mass of ethylene glycol. Which one? 20. This value is already given in your question, 20, and this one is a molar mass 62. Why? Because this one is a molar mass and already we will find this value. Second thing, 20 divided by 62, answer is 0.322 mole. Here mole word present, that's why we will use unit mole. Second thing, mole value calculated, then after moles of water. Why moles of water? Because In formula, we will use total moles of present in solution, like solute plus solvent moles. That's why compulsory calculated moles of water. Water formula is H2O. Mass of water not given in question, but 20 solute mass is already given. That's why total number of mass is suppose 100, then 100 minus 20 is equal to 80. This one is solvent. That's why mass of water is equal to 80. And H2O molar mass, how to calculate it? 2 in bracket atomic mass of hydrogen 1, 2 ones are 2, plus atomic mass of oxygen. Oxygen atomic mass is 16. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. This one is a molar mass of water molecule. When 80 divided by 18, then gives us 4.444 mole. Why? Use mole unit because this one is a calculation of moles. That's why. See, we will calculate solute and solvent moles. Now, our main question is mole fraction of solute, means ethylene glycol. That's why here I will write Xc2S6O2. This one is the mole fraction symbol. Mole fraction of ethylene glycol is equal to moles of solute. Solute is ethylene glycol, that's why moles of ethylene glycol. Divide by total moles of the component. Means what? Solute plus solvent. Moles of solute is equal to 0.322 and moles of solvent is equal to 4.444. That's why here ethylene glycol mole is 0.322 and downside when sum of these two value like 0.322 plus 4.444 then gives us 4.766 value. When divide these two value then gives us 0.068. 0.068. This one is a mole fraction of ethylene glycol. Suppose calculated mole fraction of water molecule. How many number of mole fraction of water molecules? Then how to calculate it? Total number of mole fraction we will use 1. That's why 1 minus solute mole fraction value. 1 minus solute mole fraction value is equal to 0.068 and when 1 minus 0.068 then gives us 0.932. This value for we will use water. And suppose you can't calculate this type of formula, then use easy formula like XH2O is equal to moles of water molecule divided by total moles of the component, means solute plus solvent. You can also use this formula for water molecule. Clear? Both the formula I will give you how to solve this numerical. This one is a value or answer for our question. Calculate mole fraction of ethylene glycol. Then we will calculate it and answer is 0.0688. Okay, this one is example number 2.1. Now second example 2.2. Second example, calculate the molarity of a solution. Calculate the molarity of a solution means what? We will calculate molarity. Molarity symbol is capital M. Containing 5 gram of NaOH. 5 gram indicated weight of solute in 450 ml solution. This one is solvent. 450 ml total number of solution. See, moles of NaOH, how to calculate it? Then small m means mass divided by molar mass. Mass value already given. How many value given? 5 gram. Then here put m is equal to 5. 5 divided by molar mass of NaOH is equal to 40. How to 40 value is formed? Then Na atomic mass of Na plus atomic mass of oxygen plus atomic mass of hydrogen. Then easily formation of 40 value. This one is a molar mass of sodium hydroxide. Suppose in board exam NaOH either KOH, this type of base used. Then here NaOH moles either KOH means potassium hydroxide. Why? Because these two base are generally used. That's why. Volume of the solution in liter. Volume of the solution in liter means what? Here value given 450 ml value given. And when ml, milliliter convert into liter. Then how to convert? 1 ml is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 liter. Clear? That's why here 450 ml present, and 450 when divide by 1000, either you can also write 450 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3. This one is easily converted into liter. And the second one is formula used, molarity. Molarity formula I already explained in my previous lecture. Molarity is equal to moles of solute. Solute which one used? Sodium hydroxide. That's why here moles of solute sodium hydroxide we will use. In dividation volume of solution in liter. Here word present, solution volume present, but this one present in liter. That's why ml unit compulsory converted into liter unit. That's why 0.125, this one is a moles of sodium hydroxide divided by volume of the solution in liter. That's why 450 multiply by 10 raised to minus 3, either 450 divide by 1000, divide go easily in on upper side. That's why 0.125 multiply by 1000 divide by 450. And when you calculate this all value, then gives us 0.278 mole per liter. Mole per liter. Either you can also write capital M. Why? Because this one is used for molarity. This type of numericals present in 2 marks question. Calculate molarity, molality, mole fraction, normality, etc. This type of question present in 2 marks question. Now, example number 2.3. 2.3 means here calculate molality. Here word present lity. In last numerical we will solve molarity, R-I-T-Y, here L-I-T-Y of 2.5 gram of CH3COOH known as ethanoic acid. Maybe you all are easily studied in standard 11th functional group. COOH known as carboxylic acid. This one known as ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, another name is acetic acid in 70 gram of benzene. C6H6 known as benzene. First, I will calculate molar mass of ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid formula is CH3COOH. That's why its molecular formula is total number of 2 carbon. That's why C2. 3 plus 1 is equal to H4 and O number of oxygen present total 2. That's why this one indicated molecular formula of ethanoic acid. And how to calculate molar mass? Then 2 in bracket atomic mass of carbon plus 4 in bracket atomic mass of hydrogen plus 2 in bracket atomic mass of oxygen. Then easily gives us 60 gram per mole. Molar mass unit is gram per mole. Moles of ethanoic acid, how to calculate it? Then mass of ethanoic acid, mass divide by mass or weight divide by molar mass. M means mass of ethanoic acid, already given in your question, 2.5 gram ethanoic acid. That's why here we will use 2.5 gram. And 60, this one is calculated value. Why? Because molar mass value used 60 gram per mole, and when dividation these two value, then gives us 0.0417 mole. Next one is mass of benzene. Mass of benzene already given in your question, 75 gram of benzene. 75 gram of benzene, and when this one convert into kilogram. Why? Because we will calculate molality, and molality formula is moles of solute divided by moles of solvent in kg. That's why compulsory gram value converted into kilogram. And 75 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3, when we will use, then this one easily indicated gram convert into kg. Either you can also write 75 divided by 1000. Here moles of solute means this value is moles of solute, means 0.417 divided by moles of solvent in kg. Solvent, which one used? Benzene. And benzene weight, here benzene gram or weight already given. That's why 75 divided by 1000. And divide go upper side. That's why 0.0417 multiplied by 1000 divide by 75. Then easily calculated value 0.556 is formed. And unit is small m. Why? Because this one is for molality. That's why. Clear? These three numerical we will solve. Example number 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3. Mole fraction, molarity and molality. This type of numerical already given in your in-text type question. Please practice this type of question and solve it. Okay, we will meet you in next lecture. Thank you.